In this tutorial, I'll show you how to grid design in Canva with shapes. We're going to keep this simple and fast, using Canva's pre-made grids so you can build clean, professional layouts in just a few clicks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use grids, drop in your photos or videos, and customize the design so it fits your style. First, you need to open up a design in Canva. You can start with any size you like, an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, a presentation slide, or even a custom size. Once your blank canvas is open and ready, we'll move straight into using pre-made grids. Now look over on the left-hand side of your Canva editor. You'll see a vertical menu with options like Design, Elements, Text, and more. Click on the one labeled Elements. This is where Canva keeps shapes, lines, graphics, and the grids we're going to use. Give that a click so the Elements panel slides open. With Elements open, move up to the search bar at the top of that panel. This is where you can search for specific elements inside Canva. Click inside the search bar and type the word grid or photo grid. Then press enter. Canva will now show you a collection of grid layouts you can use for your design. From here, scroll through the results and look at the different grid options. You'll see single-frame grids, 2-column layouts, 3-column layouts, and more complex multi-frame grids with all kinds of arrangements. Choose a grid layout that fits the style you want. For example, if you're making a collage, a multi-frame grid works great. If you want one hero image with a simple crop, a single-frame grid is perfect. Once you see a grid you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically drop that grid onto your canvas. If it doesn't fill the entire design, you can grab the corners of the grid and drag to resize it so it fits your canvas exactly. You can also click and drag to move it into position. This gives you a quick, clean grid design as your base. Now it's time to fill the grid with content. To do this, go over to your Uploads tab if you're using your own photos or videos, or use the Photos and Videos tabs to search Canva's built-in library. Once you see an image or a video you want to use, click and drag it straight onto one of the grid spaces. When you hover over a grid cell, you'll see it highlight. Release the mouse and the photo or video will snap right into that space. Repeat this for each section of the grid. Drag another image onto the next space and another one onto the next. Each piece of content will automatically crop to fit the shape of that grid cell, which keeps everything aligned and consistent. This is the easiest way to create a grid design in Canva without having to line up shapes manually. Next, let's customize what's inside each frame. If you want to adjust how a photo is positioned inside a grid cell, just double-click on the image. This opens up the crop view. From here, click and drag the image around inside the frame until the important part of the photo is centered where you want it. You can also use the zoom slider if you need to zoom in or out. When you're happy with the position, click Done or click outside the image to lock it in. You can also adjust the spacing between sections of your grid. Click once on the grid to select the entire layout. At the top of the editor, you'll see options that let you tweak settings like spacing or gap between cells. Drag the spacing slider left or right to make the gaps thinner or wider. Increasing the spacing creates more white space and a lighter feel, while decreasing the spacing creates a tighter, more compact grid. If your grid has visible background areas or colored gaps, you can change those colors to match your design. With the grid selected, look for the color box in the top toolbar. Click on it and choose a new color from the palette or enter a specific brand color. This will instantly update the spaces between the images or any empty cells, giving your grid design a more polished look that matches your overall theme. From here, you can keep refining. Swap out any image by dragging a different photo or video right on top of the existing one. Canva will replace it while keeping the same grid shape. You can also combine this grid design with text, icons, or other elements from the Elements tab to build a complete layout. That's it. You've used pre-made grids, added your photos or videos, adjusted the image positions, fine-tuned the spacing, and changed the colors to create a clean grid design in Canva with shapes.